Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Tech and Startups. Welcome back to my college dorm room. So today I'm gonna show you this open source tool called PackJ that you can use to identify modern supply chain attacks by blocking malicious and vulnerable dependencies from source to production. And disclaimer, I did my internship with this company called Oscillate. They made this tool. The company is based in Auburn, Alabama, and their founder was a master graduate from Georgia Tech. Let's get started. Particularly today I'm going to show you how to use this GitHub Action, and I'm actually part of the contributors. You scroll down, you can see my name right here. Okay, so to use the GitHub Action, we're gonna use it in one of my projects called Python Can Slim. So to install the PackJ GitHub Action, first I'm gonna clone this into my desktop. And I'm gonna open this project in my VS Code. Okay. And right now I'm on my main branch. Okay, and to demonstrate, just for this video, I will create a new branch called PackJ. Right. And on this branch, I will install the GitHub Action. So to install a GitHub Action, you will create a new folder called .github. And inside this folder, you will have a workflow folder. And inside workflow, you will have your action. And I will name this action PackJ. And it has to be a .yaml file. And now on the README of PackJ GitHub Action, we have a complete example right here. So we're gonna just copy it and paste it right here. So in my Python project, we only have one dependency file, right? So we can delete npm and ruby gems. And one more thing right here, since our releases right here, if you go to tags, the latest one is 0011. We're gonna have to change this into 11, right? And there's a V right in front of it, right? To make sure we use the latest release of this GitHub Action. And we're gonna run this GitHub Action every time there's a pull request on the branch PackJ, right? And I mean, that's it. We will commit this file and then publish this branch. So now our PackJ branch is published. Okay, and if you go to action, there's nothing yet. Okay, let's see why. Okay, so workflow folder gonna have an S. Okay, so we're gonna rename our folder. Okay, and then we just do a fix and then sync changes. If you go to PackJ branch, go to action. Alright, so seems like there's nothing yet because our action is run when there's a pull request coming to the PackJ branch. So let's create a pull request to simulate this, okay? So let's try to delete one dependency in my requirements.txt, and we will create a new branch and start a pull request. So you see there's a pull request coming to packj, and create. And then you can see right here there's an action running. You can hit on details right now. So I'm in the pull request page, hit on details, and you can see that the action is running. And this GitHub action will do an audit to our dependency file, and then you should see the result later. So let's wait. Alright, so the action is run, and you actually can click on post audit dependencies, actually audit dependencies, and scroll down a bit. You can see here packj is outputting all the risk and all the dependencies with the risk label next to it. Right? So, or you can go to the pull request view page and scroll down here. There will be a comment with all the risk involved. In my opinion, this GitHub action is very good when you work on an open source project, right? And there's lots of pull requests coming into your branch. This action would be a very good way to automate detecting risk. That's it for the video, and check out packj.dev website. So the project is in beta right now, and it's free for developers. So when you sign up, you have an API key, and then you can start to integrate packj into your development workflow, right? So you can do npm continuous integration development. You can use it. So packj has a CLI too, right? And some other projects are still under development, like getting real-time alerts in your IDE, and some cloud integration like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. And lastly, I'm working on my own startup called NFC Orange. You can check it out at nfcorange.com. I don't know why paper resumes are still being used in career fairs, especially in this digital age. So this startup will modernize the career fair experience by giving students a digital business card on their phone. They don't have to print paper copies anymore. If you are a recruiter or you work in universities, please reach out to me on LinkedIn. I'll leave a link below. If you are a student, you can let me know by joining the waitlist. And I've just developed a job tools page right here. So it would be really useful for students who are trying to get a job now, especially in this very tough job market. It has all the tools you need to start your job hunt, like ChatGPT, Handshake. So it's basically a job tool database. So without further ado, thank you for watching this video, and please support my startup, nfcorange.com. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.